Ha! See? I knew it! What's up, Bronco world and world in general? Today, as promised, I'm going to show you guys how to install a new antenna assembly on your Ford Bronco. It is super easy, so let's get started. So what you want to do first is, if you are replacing an old crusty antenna assembly, you're obviously going to want to remove that. So what you want to do first with that is just remove the old bezel and fender seal. Now the next part is a little bit more tricky. What you have to do now is remove the kick panel grommet and mounting bracket. In order to do that, you're probably going to need a friend, because I don't know about you guys, but I don't have long enough arms to reach up into the fender and into the Bronco, which is what you have to do in order to remove those things. Smile, be friendly, and get that thing off. One thing that does help is loosening the emergency brake, so you have just a little bit more room to reach up and get those nuts and bolts out. Once you have your kick panel grommet and mounting bracket off, just fish your antenna out. Once you have the old assembly off, you're gonna wanna get your new antenna assembly and stick it up into the hole. For this part, you are going to want the bezel and fender cover off. Stick the antenna through the hole, then you want to throw your seal, fender cover, and bezel on. Alright, so don't tighten that bezel all the way, but once you get that secure, you're going to grab your wire and fish it through the hole in your kick panel. Once you've done that, grab your old nuts and bolts and bolt the grommet into the kick panel. If you don't have your old hardware, run to a hardware store, grab two 8 by 1 inch screws and the washers and nuts for those screws, and then grab 1/4 by 1/2 inch screw and the washers and nut for that. Once you have those, bolt the grommet into the kick panel using the 8 by 1 inch screws, and then bolt your mounting bracket using the 1/4 by 1/2 inch screw. After you've got all that done, just check to make sure everything is tight. Once you have everything tightened down, what you're going to want to do now is take everything off, throw your old one back off. I'm just kidding, guys. You guys are done. Painless, right? Smile, be friendly. Well, you guys know what I mean. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Also, all of our contact information is in the description below, along with a link to this antenna. Don't forget to subscribe, and with all of that being said, we will see you guys out there on the trail. Especially if you have one of these, because we'll be able to see you guys from miles away.